warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Amalia Huda binti Ahmad Shukri and I'm from RCS 1104H. Today, my friend and I are going to answer questions regarding grouped data. But first, let me introduce my team members. First, we have
Hi,
Atika.
I'm Atika binti Zulkifli. I'm from class RCS 114H.
Next,
My
we
name is
have
Farah Shazani
Farah.
binti Zakaria and I am from RCS 1104H.
Then
My name
we
is
have
Mahira binti
Mahira.
Muhammad Radin from RCS 1104H.
Last but not least, we
My name
have
is Nadia Hanani binti
Nadia.
Adam and I am from RCS 1104H.
Problem 5. The following data represent the age distribution of sample of 70 women having multiple delivery birth in 2002. So, we need to find mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of the data. Also, we need to identify the shape of distribution.
How to find the mean for the group data? First step, we have to find out the midpoint table and also the FX table. Okay, to find out the midpoint table, what we are going to do is upper class plus lower class divide by 2. And for the FX table, we have to multiply both table, which is frequency and midpoint. So you got like this. After that, we have to put into the formula, which is sum of product, frequency multiply with the midpoint and divide by n. So the answer is 31.57 for the mean.
Median. Firstly, we need to make a new column to do the cumulative frequency. Then we will take the total of the CF to find the class median by dividing the total of the CF bit 2. Here we can see that the total is 70, so divide it with 2, then we will get 35. 35 will be at the 30 to 34 class since the CF before it stopped at 22 and CF after it, which is CF for 30 to 34, stopped at 50. Then we start finding the median using the formula given, which is lower class boundaries. In this example will be 29.5 plus with frequency total, which is 70 divided by 2 minus with 22, which is the class before the median class. Divide with the frequency of the median class, which is equal to 28. Then multiply with the class width, which is lower class boundaries after, minus with lower class boundaries before.
You can choose any and then just solve the solution and we will get the answer, which is 30.9285.
For mode, first we need to know which frequency is the highest. For this question, the highest one will be 28. Therefore, the class mode is 30 to 34. Then, using the formula for mode, the lower boundaries mode plus with the data 1 divide with data 1 plus data 2 multiply with class width. Data 1 that has the frequency of the class mode will be minus with the frequency before it, which is 28 minus 16. And data 2 that has the frequency of the class mode minus with the frequency after the class mode, which is 28 minus 17. Then substitute it into the formula. Solve it and we will get the answer as 32.6087.
For this question, the first thing you have to do is to add another new column at the given table. For the new column, we need to multiply the frequency by square the midpoint for each class and place the product in the column. For example, in the first class, the midpoint is 17. If we square it, we will get 289. Then multiply it with f, which is 1. Then we get the answer equal to 289. Then do it for the rest. After that, find sum of the new column. The answer you will get is 71,610. To find the standard deviation, we have to substitute the product into the formula. Then we will get 5.16 as the final answer.
How to find the shape of distribution? First step, you can use the skewness formula. Skewness has two formulas, which is skewness equal mean minus with mode, divide by the standard deviation, and 3 multiply with mean minus with median, and divide by the standard deviation. First step, you need to substitute mean mode. After that, divide by standard deviation value. The answer will be negative 0.21. The second one is to put 3 and multiply with mean value and median divide by standard deviation value, and the answer will get negative 0.1453. With that, the distribution is skewed to the left or negatively skewed because the answer is less than 0.